Hello, it's Cam at Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque finished in grey. This Autobiography petrol plug-in hybrid comes with a 1.5 litre P270e engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 20-inch alloy wheels with the gloss dark grey and diamond toned contrast finish. This hybrid battery can be charged via an AC standard charging port as well as a DC fast charger. There's around 600 litres of usable boot space capacity in this car, which is ideal for larger luggage items and shopping, and there is also an automatic close button located at the top. Stepping into the back, we see the Cloud and Ebony twin-tone interior with the extended Windsor leather pack. Both the seats in the back do include ISOFIX points, and there is an armrest which, when folded down, will reveal two exposed cup holders. The passengers can also utilise a rear climate control panel, which does also include two USB-C charging ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way into the front of the cabin, we can see the continuation of the Cloud and Ebony interior, with the contrasting colour tone on the dash and seats. These seats do have additional side support for extra comfort on longer journeys, and they can be electronically adjustable with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 3-spoke twin-tone multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the voice control, volume and virtual cockpit, and on the right the options for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel function. The 11.4-inch touchscreen does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations and charging stations. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. You can also access different entertainment functions such as Bluetooth with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and radio with FM and DAB. You can access the rear parking camera and satellite imagery here, allowing to help manoeuvre this larger car. Below the infotainment system there is a concealed pocket which does contain a place to store your phone as well as a USB-C charging port. And there is also two exposed cup holders in front of the leather-wrapped armrest, which can be lifted up to reveal more storage inside as well as another USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Autobiography Edition. For more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.